Congratulations. Welcome to our perfume factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fine fragrances are made, step by step.
Quality control begins the moment these raw materials arrive. We meticulously inspect every batch of flowers, oils, and resins to ensure absolute purity.
Perfumers meticulously balance the fragrance pyramid, ensuring harmony between the top, middle, and base notes for a lasting aroma.
Check the viscosity ratio on screen 3. It's slightly high. Yep.
Adjusting the flow rate now, that should bring it down.
Every fragrance is filtered and perfected for a smoother, cleaner scent. Every bottle undergoes a strict quality check before distribution.
And that's how perfume is produced. A parfum, from start to finish.